So I'm here with a new question, and the question is Google Ads not spending full budget. Sad to hear. Sorry. Let me read your the story, and then will propose how I can suggest you. I'm currently running branded keywords campaign, and the campaigns recently are not spending the full budget. I have ad strength of excellent, bidding strategy, target impression share, with targeting 80% absolute top of page and maximum CPC of $6, which I increased to $7 today. Despite the fact that the highest CPC per keyword is $3.5, my keywords are broad match. I have 0% search impression loss due to budget, but 61.25% due to rank. What might be the cause of the issue? Is it maximum CPC allocated or low keyword search volume? Okay, there can be few reasons. I can go in a detail, but let's start. The first reason could be low CTR. You didn't discuss regarding the CTR. CTR means click through rate, because you are running on the branded campaign, so there could be an issue with the brand. So brands may have stopped you in running your ads. This can be a possible if you do not own the right to run the ad for a specific keywords. But let's assume that branding is not the case, then the low CTR could be the case because your due to ad rank, if you lost it, it means that your quality score or your ad rank is declining. But since you have said that you have excellent ad strength, it means that your CTR is the cause of concern because you have increased your CPC as well. And now because the keywords are broad match as well, so I highly think that the low CTR is the cause of concern. Also, if you look around you, what you have to do, there could be few things which you can look around and they can tell you. For instance, if you go for this is a key a type of a campaign, go to your keywords tab and go to your status and look around, click on the eligible, and this can tell you that if your ad is showing or no. So you see that your ad has a low ad rank for this search. So you see this quality score is 7/10 but has a low ad rank. So a low search volume, as you said, could be an issue over here, a scenario like this. Plus check around for your configuration. Sometimes what happens is that people have wrongly set the ad schedules or the bid adjustments for the wrong type. For instance, they have reduced it bid adjustment over here by 100% and they have a CPC verified. So this could be a reason. And another could be for your campaign tab. For instance, if you go to your campaign, for instance, this is one of the campaign. Let's move on to the campaign over here. And for the data matrices, we can adjust over here. Let's say go into the overview and look for over here. Okay, you can adjust it over any place you want. Let me see. So I cannot, but let's say if I'm going into the campaign tab and let's say I'm going to close this, okay, hide it over here. Now I can see my matrices over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna look for my impression share. Okay, impression share top plus search impression share. This way I can figure out if I'm losing it to my competitors or not. So you may see over here that this is my impression share top is increasing and search impression share is increasing. So look for these columns as well, and if they are in declining, they can actually tell you that the competitors may have overbid you or they are much better. Also, your relevancy could play a crucial role over here on your website bounce rate. So relevancy plus bounce rate plus bidding ad schedules, these could be a reason. Okay, also if your account is new, they can periodically go into reviews, so new accounts can go into the review as well. So if that can be a reason as well. So sometimes the accounts have payment issues as well, you don't know, but you have some dues, so look around for your dues as well on your account billing section. Go to your billing section and look around for your pending payment. Sorry, I cannot show you the due to the confidential information, but look around for these. So this could be a general idea, which I think that is the reason why your ads are not spending money. So, but in case if you need a detailed audit, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we will love to work with you and sort around. We are a full-fledged digital marketing company as a Google partner. So yeah, in case if you need our services, we provide web development solutions, website development, Google search, ads, audit, setup management, and other solutions. So if you want our services, you can click on the link in the description or the first comment and do visit us, browse it, and look for the services we provide. I hope I answered your question, but again, we are available here to help you in optimizing your Google ads to make the most out of it. Thank you for watching. We look forward to working with you as a team. Take care and bye-bye.